In this class, we'll be looking at introduction to differential equation for beginners. This video is for you. Quickly, let's look at what a differential equation is. A differential equation is the relationship between an independent variable. So I just want us to take note of these key words. An independent variables, that is the first thing. A dependent variable, and what? One or more derivative of y with respect to x. For you to see an equation and say, okay, this equation is a differential equation, it must contain independent variable, dependent variable, and derivative of y with respect to x. So what is derivative of y with respect to x? Derivative of y with respect to x simply means dy dx. Whether it is first derivative or second derivative or third derivative or fourth derivative or fifth derivative, but it must be a derivative of y with respect to x. So these three things make up a differential equation. These three things: it must contain independent variable, it must contain dependent variable, and derivative of y with respect to x. So these three things, they contribute to what we refer to as differential equation. Now, I've explained the derivative that derivative of y with respect to x simply means dy dx. Differentiation of y with respect to x, whether it is first derivative or second derivative or third derivative. But what about independent variable or dependent variable? Now, actually, we said that independent variable is x, y dependent variable is y. According to these definitions, this is dependent variable, which is y, and then independent variable, which is what? Which is x. That is according to these definitions. Now, let's look at this equation. Looking at this equation as an example. Now, this equation, now we have y, we have variable of y, which is this, and we have variable of x. X is here, x is also here, right? Now, this variable, now this equation, it has a variable of y, which is dependent variable, and has a variable of x, which is independent variable. But does this equation have a derivative? Does it have a derivative? No. This equation is not differential equation. Then, since this equation does not have a derivative, it is not a differential equation. But I want us to take note of something here. What is independence and dependence variable? Yeah, we said that independence variable is a variable of x. And actually, if you look at this equation, you will see a variable of x in this equation. You can see it here. You can also see x here. And it also has a dependent variable, which is y. You can also see it here. Now, what is this independent and dependent variable? Let's assume I take my x to be 0. What will be the value of y? Y will be the outcome. So what will be the value of y? The value of y will be what? You know, here will become 0. Here will become 0 times 3. That will become 0. Y here will be left with 5. So the value of my y will be 5, right? What if I change the value of my x to be 1? What will be the value of y? This will be 1 square plus 3 times 1 and plus 5. 1 square is same thing as 1 plus 3 times 1 will give me 3 plus 5. That will give me 9. So you can see that when the value of my x was initially at 0, I have y to be 5. And when I took the value of my x to be equal to 1, I have y to be what? To be 9. So what happened there is that y, it changes as x what? As x changes, y also do what? Changes. Are we following? This tells us that y depend on x. Are we following? Why it depends on the value of x. As the value of x changes, likewise the value of y changes. So y cannot stand, it cannot stand alone. It depends on x. So therefore we say y is dependent variable. Y x is what? Independent variable. So let's take note of that. But this equation is still not what? It is still not a differential equation because it lack what? It lack the derivative of y with respect to x. It does not have the derivative of y with respect to x. So let's proceed. Now, talking about the order of a differential equation. Now we have first order, we have second order, we have third order, and so on like that. But if we are to look at these three equations now, this is the first equation, this is the second equation now, this is the third equation. Which order can we classify this equation as? Now, before we look at which order we can classify this equation, now let's look at what order means. Order of a differential equation is given as the highest, take note of this, highest derivative. It is the highest derivative. Now, we have the first derivative, as I've said. First derivative is just your dy dx. Why this is second derivative, the square y dx square? Why? Because of these two. These two here tells us that it is second derivative. You can see the two. It's present in both of them. It tells us that it is second derivative. Are we following? Why this one here is just like, it's the same thing as the one, something like this. You know, whenever you ask, let's assume you have x raised to the power of 1. Will you write it as x raised to the power of 1? No, you just write it as x. Are we following? If you have x raised to the power of 1, it's the same thing as x. So that is why we leave this one like that. It's still the same thing as 1 here. Yeah, we can decide to put the 1 here, but we'll just leave it because it's still the same thing as the y dx. Okay, but looking at this one now, you see that it has 2 here. These two tells us that it is second derivative. You can see it here. You can see it here now. It tells us that it is second derivative. Okay, so for this question now, it says what is the order of the equation? What order is this now? We're told that order is the highest derivative. So what is the highest derivative? Order is the highest derivative. What is the highest derivative now? This is the first derivative, while this is the second derivative. So what is the highest? This second is the highest derivative. Is the highest derivative. So we say it is what? It is second order differential equation. Are we following? Now what about this? This one only has the first derivative alone. Identify the derivative first. You will see that it has only first derivative alone. So what order is that? It is what? It is first order differential equation. It is first order differential equation. Are we following? Now, I want you to answer this question number 3. Drop it in the comments and tell me whether it is first order or second order or third order. Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a video you can get notified, and share with your friends. Thank you. See you in my next video.